why, but recently I've just literally been finding myself in too many Lambos. Like, this is like the fourth one, but Velocity has it now, and so, oh, so good. Not that that's a bad thing, but oh my God, just look at the interior. And my favorite thing about the Lambos, no matter what it is, Huracan, or just look at this start button or Aventador. It's like a fighter jet. You just boom, press the golden start button, foot on brake, and just listen to that V10. Oh, never gets old. So I'm with Eric from Velocity. Eric, say hi.
Hi, my name's Eric.
What's your favorite thing about the Huracan?
You know, this is probably the fastest Lambo they've got going right now. I've driven the SVs and the you know, the different Aventadors, but those still use that single plate you know, automatic transmission, and you just don't get that dual clutch transmission shift that you do out of this car. Just entry cost of this car.
So this car has 610 horsepower. It's four-wheel drive. How many pound-feet of torque again?
I have no idea.
But just for like, it's so good. And I love this color that this car is in right now. It's just like a really stealthy-ish look.
Yeah. It's a really classy build. It's a dark blue, but it's got some gray in it when it hits the sun. Tan interior, deviated stitching. I mean, it's just a really classy build.
Yeah.
On a really good looking car.
And usually I don't like silver wheels, but this kind of work on the car and on
you
the color.
You don't want black on this. You want a more classic look.
This thing sounds like gold.
That you have to keep is about to end up for a bunch of the buyers.
I'm just gonna start crying. Just that sound. I don't know. I'm just done. I'm just a very loud person, and so sound does it for me. So would you take this or an Aventador?
Oh, this all day long. I'm not a huge
Are you serious?
fan. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the Aventador.
What?
It's big, it's wide, it's hard to see out of. It's not as dynamic as this car.
Yeah, this car is very nimble. That's another thing.
And that's kind of the thing, is that it's a much more, you know, usable vehicle.
Yeah.
Than Aventador is.
That sound is just so good. Would you say that they're good deals in like supercars or?
Yeah, so this car's, I think we've got it listed for $230. You know, it's a lot of car for the money when you consider that, you know, that's basically 911 Turbo S money. You know, there's so many cars out there that are touching $200,000 that, you know, you know, the high-end AMGs and all that type of stuff. That this is just this whole lot more car.
But if you were to pick like a supercar right now under 200 grand, what would it be?
Probably a 458.
Really? You prefer the 458 to this one?
Yeah, I'd take a 458 over this car. That's just kind of me.
Oh, that engine sounds.
You know, these you're either kind of a Lambo guy or a Ferrari guy.
Yeah. I
found it's a very, you know, polarizing couple of brands. They're both awesome cars.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just feel like I can get more out of the 458 than I can a Huracan.
Like for performance?
Yeah. Just drivability. Yeah, just drivability. Like what I'm able to with my ability. You know what I mean? Like, you know, it doesn't do you any good if you put it in a ditch.
Yeah, but but like this one has all-wheel drive, doesn't it?
Sure. Yeah.
And so like
absolutely.
The 458 though is rear-wheel drive.
It's rear-wheel drive. So it has a little bit more of a, you know, you can get the end out a little bit better on a turn, where this almost has a little bit too much grip. If you're not used to that style of driving, you know, it grip you right into into a bush or something.
Yeah. Does the nose lift calm down automatically?
At a certain speed, it will.
Oh, that sound.
I'm a big fan of anything naturally aspirated. You know, so this car ticks that box for sure.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I'm a big 458 fanboy, so you know, it's I'm gonna usually go that direction. But these are awesome. I mean, this is almost a brand new car for the most part. It's 4,300 miles.
Oh yeah, how does depreciation do on these ones?
They're not that bad, because I mean they priced the car right to start off with, whereas like, you know, you look at an Aventador and they're $400,000 or $500,000. They take quite a hit.
Yeah.
And you know, a lot of pre-owned Aventador buyers, they're going to go buy a 12 or a 13 as opposed to a 15 or a 16 because they're that much less. So.
Gosh, the way this thing just sounds. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this golden video. I'll catch you guys on the next magnificently golden drive. Put this in park, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye. 1, 2, 3, 4